This is a simple and fast review of the Agletseen 2000 lumen rechargeable LED handheld spotlight searchlight. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
So as we get this out of its box, little hanging strap to put on it. You'll have your instruction manual, and then USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Now this will kind of walk you through some of the features, capabilities, stuff like that, of its rechargeability, Type-C input, all that stuff. So let's get this covered. Pretty light, stands on its own, obviously. You'll have your charging port at the top, and comes at about 75% charged. We're going to have three kind of basics. We'll have a main light, a dimmer light, and kind of a flash. So we'll go ahead, get this all charged up. As you can see, there's two little hook areas if you wanted to utilize this to just clip on and use a shoulder strap. As mentioned, 4,000 mAh capacity, which is pretty darn good. Waterproof, which is really nice, and that's why these things are kind of, you got to really make sure they're tight in there. But we'll go ahead and get it charged up. Show you what it looks like when it's charging. Hopefully still in camera range. You'll see that it just kind of blinks and lights up there. So we'll get it all charged up and take it from there. All right, so we're going to show you kind of the way this lights up an area, and more specifically how it can kind of, I'll zoom in a little bit, you know, turn it down, we can flash and go off, and you'll just see exactly how well this spotlights. Zooming back out, you'll kind of see that it also has kind of a big circle as well. So it's just kind of that central point, but it also lights up the rest of the area kind of nicely. And again, this is the high, so we have kind of your low, and then your kind of flash. But the high is really good, great distance, as you can see, really far, really bright still, lights up. You know, I can actually see, you probably can't see it, but I can see kind of it lighting up that shed inside through that window. So really great job on the lighting. So to me, this kind of lighting is fantastic, portable, rechargeable, waterproof. So it's great to keep you know, on a boat, out in the shed. Great for power outages, so definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.